Hello, this is Cool Home Repairs, and here we are with a mini split that froze up. What could be the issue? Well, as we can see here, the vapor line is frozen. It should never be frozen. Signs of that is it's low in refrigerant. So here we are checking the pressures. It is a little low. So we're checking the flare fittings to see if there's any leaks through there, and thankfully there is none. Sit back and enjoy the rest of this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and share.